Happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at this 2023 Flagstaff Lite 25BDS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's get started. So this is one of our 2023 closeout units, which means it is marked down very nicely. It has a very great price, and it is the last one on our lot. So if you're interested in this, make sure you call us because it is going to go very quickly. Now we're going to start out on our outdoor entertainment side. As you can see, we do have an awning over here, and it does cover that door. There is an LED strip underneath, and we have indoor-outdoor speaker systems. But the best thing is on the back, so let's quickly move back here and I'll show it to you. On the rear end of this Flagstaff, we do have an outdoor kitchen, and you can see this thing is super nice. It is a very large outdoor kitchen. You do have a fridge back here. Underneath this, we do have a little stove top. You even have some storage over here for your pots and pans, or if you want to keep some buns and different things out here, you do have the space for that. You also have some countertop space, an electrical outlet, and a sink. So all your cooking you're going to want to do, you're going to be able to do it outside. Now, let's check out our storage. In the front, we do have a couple storage spaces. This right here is pass-through storage, so you can access it over there on the other side. This is the perfect place to put your outdoor items because it does have an easy to clean out floor, so if it gets a little dirty, you don't have to worry about it. Over here, we do have an extra storage space, and you have another one just like it on the other side. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, over on your left-hand side, you do have a storage compartment. This opens up and you have a shelf in here giving you two different levels to store some things on. It's a very decent sized space right here, so you can put anything you want right by your door, right there. We also do have our control panel right here as well. This is where you're going to control all your lights, your awnings, and your one slide. Now, let's check out the rest. On the right side of your entryway, you do have this couch over here. This is super comfy, and it actually does recline, so you just press these buttons on both sides and your feet do come out. You also do have a little countertop space on both sides for a glass of water, maybe a snack or a different item right here. Also down on this side, we do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port to plug in your phones and other items. And you also do have a light switch right here, so if you do want to turn these main lights off, you can do that from this seat as well. We also do have some storage over here. This does have a hanging bar in it, so if you want to hang up your jackets or other items, you can do that right there. You also do have a drawer, so if you want to fold up some smaller items and put them away right there, you can. And we also do have windows on both sides, so if you're at a gorgeous campground and you want to see those views, you can see them right from your couch. But this actually does roll over into a bed, and you guys didn't get to see me pull this down, but this is super easy to use. You do have a latch on both sides, and you easily just pull those latches out, and the bed does come down. Very easy to use. A lot of people don't love a Murphy bed just because they used to be kind of hard, but now they've upgraded them and super easy. Even grandma could do it, so you don't have to worry about that. We also do have a window back here, and you can see that little bit of countertop space over there as well. So if you have a CPAP machine or maybe a glass of water, some reading glasses you want by your bed, you can store that back there, and you can plug in your machine because there is an electrical outlet over on this hand side right here. Now, check out our dining room table. Across the room, we do have our dinette. It is a U-shaped dinette, and you can see there is tons of room all the way around me. So if you have a bigger family or you just have some extra guests at the campground and you want to eat a meal all together, you have plenty of room with lots of elbow space. We also do have some storage up here. These go up and it is a pass-through all the way, so if you want to put some board games up there, maybe some extra blankets, towels, other items, you do have plenty of space up there. We also do have two windows right here, so you can see all your gorgeous views, and you also do have a storage space right here as well. This would work perfect as maybe a place to put all of your plates for your table, or if you want to use it as kind of like a pantry space, put some chips in there, other items, or just store some stuff for your bedroom area, because it is close to your bedroom. You could definitely do that. But one cool thing about this, it actually does double as a sleeping space, so you can push this table down and these cushions come out, and this does transform into a sleeping space for your extra guests. Now, let's switch our view and check out our kitchen. Across from our dinette is our kitchen space, and they've really maximized all the space in here and given you everything you need over in your kitchen area, including extra countertop space. You do have a lot of countertop over here, but if you need a little extra serving room, this little extension easily pops up and you can just clip it back down into place. We also do have our sink right here, and they have given you a drying rack for that. You have some storage underneath, a couple drawers, and they've even given you a little container to put all of your silverware in, which is a nice little place for your sponges. And up above our sink, we do have our TV, and it is on a swivel. So if you want to see it from your dinette or over in your bedroom area, you can easily pull that out, and it does move so everybody can get a view. Over here, we do have our microwave. Underneath that, we have our typical 3-burner stovetop with your oven underneath that. I really do love this oven. Very nice, plenty big for this camper, so you don't have to worry about missing any meals. I also forgot to mention this nice little electrical outlet extender. This opens up and gives you a few more electrical outlets and even a USB and a USB-C port, so you can charge some stuff in your kitchen. Over here, we have our fridge. This does open up and check out all of that storage space for your groceries. Tons of place for all of your food and even some ice cream room up top. But there is one more surprise in this kitchen, so let's turn around and check it out. Behind your fridge is an added pantry space. This pantry is super big, you guys. It goes back pretty far. You can easily put full-size cereal boxes in there, extra food, or if you have your dog or cat with you, you can easily store their food in there as well. And they even have an extra griddle that attaches to the outside. Now, let's check out my favorite part of this, which is our bathroom. Forget the campground bathroom. You have a perfect bathroom all to yourself in this Flagstaff. We have tons of storage in here. Over on my left-hand side, you have this large storage place over here. I would definitely throw all of my towels in there, maybe some toiletries, but if that's not enough space for you, over on my right-hand side, we have even more storage. This opens up and you can tell just how big this space is, and you have some more over to the right-hand side of that. Down below, we have our step to flush toilet, and behind me, surprise, surprise, we have even more storage. You do have your mirror front medicine cabinet with an extra space over to the side of that for all of your toothbrushes and toothpaste. You can't forget your shower, so let's move over here and check it out. This is a very nice size shower. You can see I do have plenty of head height above me, and you even do have a skylight in here. We also have some built-in shelves for all of your shampoo and conditioner that is on both sides. We also do have our detachable shower head, and the shower is pretty deep, so you don't have to worry about the water going out into the floor. Or if you want to give your dog a bath, you can easily pull this shower head down and rinse them off in here, and they have plenty of standing room. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Flagstaff line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.